Today we're diving into the world of AI-powered writing tools with a head-to-head battle between Quillbot and ProWritingAid. These tools are meant to enhance your writing experience, polishing your prose and streamlining your editing process. We'll be exploring 5 key variables in this showdown, including features, user experience, pricing structure, pros and cons, and possible alternatives. Let's get going. Let's check out these programs' key features. Quillbot features include paraphrasing power. Quillbot shines with its advanced paraphrasing capabilities, making it an excellent tool for content rewriting. Multilingual magic. Quillbot supports multiple languages, widening its user base globally. Browser extension brilliance. Seamless integration into your browser for on-the-fly editing. Grammar guru. Beyond paraphrasing, Quillbot boasts a grammar checker to refine your writing. ProWritingAid features include in-depth editing. ProWritingAid offers a comprehensive analysis of your writing, covering grammar, style, and readability. Plagiarism detection. A standout feature, ProWritingAid helps you maintain originality in your content. Real-time suggestions. Receive instant suggestions as you type for efficient editing workflows. Genre-specific checks. Tailored suggestions for various writing styles and genres. Navigating the pricing maze, we see that Quillbot does have a free version with tiered paid plans starting at $14.95 per month. ProWritingAid, on the other hand, also has a free plan, but their premium plan starts at $20 a month. Make sure to consider your budget and needs when choosing your plan. Quillbot ensures a user-friendly experience and intuitive interface, while ProWritingAid offers a robust set of features that may make it a little more difficult for beginners. Both tools, however, offer valuable assistance to get you adjusted. Quillbot and ProWritingAid both offer unique advantages and drawbacks. Quillbot excels in paraphrasing and multilingual support, offering users unique tools in content rewriting and global communication. However, it does fall short at times in genre-specific suggestions. On the other hand, ProWritingAid offers a multitude of content editing tools, including a plagiarism checker and in-depth analysis. However, its steeper learning curve and slightly more complex user interface may make it difficult for beginners. Several alternatives to Quillbot and ProWritingAid are available for users seeking AI writing tools. Options include Spinbot, Writer, and Jasper AI, offering a variety of features from paraphrasing to comprehensive writing and editing tools. The choice depends on specific user preferences and requirements for writing assistance. In the showdown between Quillbot and ProWritingAid, the choice boils down to your personal preference. If you value paraphrasing and simplicity, Quillbot is your go-to. However, if you want an in-depth editing toolkit, ProWritingAid takes the lead. Don't forget to check the links in the description to explore these tools farther, and subscribe for more easy internet tips. Thank you.